the Autonomous Machines World 2019. I am here with Rock. Thank you so much for joining us, Rock. Could you please introduce yourself? Let us know who you are and what you do at RoboticsX.
I'm a CTO of RoboticsX. My background was always working with the digital products. I started with an engineer on synchrotron facilities. This is some high-tech physics facility. Then built a GSM system for Siemens. Then went to web development in .com area. And then I was intrigued basically always with the fusion of the physical and digital world. And I saw manufacturing as an extreme case of this. So I entered this field like 5 years ago. And we formed the company RoboticsX that is doing digitization of production industry.
Okay, that's great. Could you please tell us more about your session here at Autonomous Machines World?
So our session is about the communication in machines-to-machine communication, about autonomous machines. But we would like to open a little bit this session by first addressing the business goals. So to find out why we really need to have autonomous machines in the production world, and then address the machine-to-machine communication problems in particular. Why are we doing that is, let me illustrate by a fictitious example. So in not so distant future, we will load the robots to a spaceship, send them to Mars with a clear mission to build a habitat. And this is a mission that must not fail, because a few years later we send a manned spaceship to the Mars, so the people have to live somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Now, this might seem a simple task, but the machines there must really be autonomous machines in the sense that they have to understand the context they are working in, and they have to provide a correct response to reach the business goal, which is to build a habitat.
Yeah.
Because we cannot control the Mars environment for obvious reasons. We also cannot be sure that we will be able to communicate with those robots over the distance, so they will be on their own. And when we are contemplating this case, we already see a lot of things that address the machine-to-machine communication that go beyond mere or pure data exchange. They go into the direction of semantical interoperability between the machines. They go in the direction of the coupling the machines with the artificial intelligence, and they go to the direction of controlling or coordinating the swarms of robots or self-coordinating.
Okay. And what challenges have you encountered so far?
So today, most of the companies focus actually on implementing the machine-to-machine communication via field buses. That's what this is called, actually.
Okay.
And that is because the technology is a little bit complex that incurs really tremendous integration costs.
Okay.
So they want to lower the integration costs. But that drives us away from the main challenge, and the main challenge is that the machines are actually aware of the context they're in, so that they really can communicate, and that means they're semantically interoperable. They understand each other in the sense that we are using this word in the human terms. And this is something we are not addressing yet correctly.
Okay. What solutions do you have for the challenges that you're going through?
So there might be three areas that are worth exploring. Of course, artificial intelligence is popular. That's one direction. The other direction is web semantics or semantic interoperability of the machines, and the third direction is the web network of the machines.
Okay.
All those things somehow are used already in the area of digital twins. So they use these technologies. So when looking to the digital twins, this might be the most promising area to look at for the full solution.
Okay, that's really good. Well, thank you so much for letting us into your background and also into your company. You will listen to case studies and you will listen to the roundtables. What are you expecting from the event?
Well, I expect to get few ideas for further development, further addressing the challenges that I'm facing. And I'm really eager to take part in this multi-touch format that is presented here, because this goes away from the usual question, answer, a single expert. And I expect to get more and more insight from that format.
Oh, well, I hope you get more insight, and I hope you enjoy the multi-touch point format. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy the autonomous machines world.
You're welcome.
Thank you.